Hello, welcome to Coffee Dress class. Please, if today is your first time here, please subscribe and be part of this class. And my subscribers and everyone watching my video, thank you very much for always coming along. Please keep drawing. Let's keep drawing to keep the world moving. Without drawing, there will be nothing on this planet Earth. Now, today we are going to construct this figure. This figure is in isometric projection, and we are going to draw this figure in orthographic projection. This figure is in isometric, and we are going to draw this figure in orthographic projection. So we are going to draw the plan or the top view, the front elevation or the front view, and the end elevation or the end view. And we are taking our front elevation from here. We are taking our front elevation from here. So we are going to construct this figure in orthographic projection. So please like this video and hit the notification bell, so anytime I will come to this class, you will get a notice and you can also join us and learn something from this class. Hit the notification bell, so anytime I release a video, you'll be the first person to know. Now we are going to draw this figure in orthographic projection. So let's look at the figure here. Now we are going to start from the plan or the top view. Now, so anytime you are drawing the plan or the top view, consider the base or the base area, which is the distance from here to this side, which is 60 millimeters or 6 centimeters. And the distance from here to here, we can get it from here, is 40 millimeters, which is 4 centimeters. So the distance from here to here is 60, and from here to this side is 40 millimeters. So you draw the 60 millimeters by the 40 millimeters. So you are going to draw the 60 millimeters and the 40 millimeters to give us the top view. So we start from the top view. So we first consider the distance from here to this side and from here to here. So let's first measure our 60 millimeters. So now we measure our 60 millimeters from here. You mark your 60. That is to this side. So we have our 60. So with your set square and your T-square, you draw this line, extend the line to this end from here. So you draw this line, that is here, we have this. And so now when you look at the figure here, now we have the distance from here to here, which is 60. We have already drawn this line. So we are going to measure the distance from here to here, which is 40 millimeters, that is 4 centimeters. So let's measure our 4 centimeters. So with your divider or your compass, you measure your 40 millimeters or 4 centimeters. Now we have our 40 millimeters or 4 centimeters. From here, you mark the distance from here, from this end to this end. Just measure 40 millimeters. Then with your T-square, you draw your line like this. Now we have this. So we have the distance from here to here, which is 60, and from here to this end, which is 40 millimeters. Now let's look at the figure here. Now we have the distance from here to this end, from this side to this side, which is 60 millimeters. Is the same as this, from here to here, 60 millimeters. Now when you look at the figure here, then we have this end to be 40, from here to this side will be 40 millimeters. Now so we have this line here, we have this line here, and we have the last one here. This line is also here. Now when you look at the figure here, from this line, from here to here, that is from here to this side, is 10 millimeters. From here to here is 10 millimeters. So you will mark 10 millimeters from here, 10 millimeters from here, and it is same as this end. From here to this line is 10 millimeters. That is this is the top view. So from the top here, this is what you are going to see. You are going to see this line, the first line here, which is this one. Then you see this line which we are going to draw. It is from here to that side is 10 millimeters. Then from here to this side is also 10 millimeters. So we are going to measure 10 millimeters from here, then 10 millimeters from here. So with your t-square, with your compass or your divider, you measure 10 millimeters. Measure 10 millimeters. That is from here, from here, 10 millimeters. Then from the other side, which is here, also 10 millimeters. That is. Then with your t-square and your z-square, is extend these lines. Then we move to this side as well. That is. So we have this now. So we have this area, this to be the top view or the plan. So let's show the outlines like this from here. Move it to this end. Then with your t-square, you draw this. Then you move it down here, like this. So we have this. This is the top view or the plan of this figure. Look at the figure. So now when you look at it, you see this area, this area, and this area. So we have 1, 2, 3. So we have this 1, 2, 3. So this is the top view or the plan of this figure. Now we are going to draw the front elevation or the front view. And for the front view, we are going to see this area. And from the top view or the plan, we have the lines. We extended the lines up here, and is that these lines are going to help you to get the front view or the front elevation. So here we first draw this line. We first draw the 60 millimeters line, which is here, and we are not going to measure it because we have the lines. We extended these lines, and from here to here is 60, so we have it here already. So with your T-square, you draw your line like this. Now the distance from here to the top here is 60, so we will measure 60 millimeters, which is 6 centimeters. So with your divider or your compass, measure 60 millimeters. So we have our 60 millimeters. Now we measure 60 millimeters, which is here. Then with your T-square, you draw a line, but always extend the line to your right side. So from here we will draw a line, like we will extend this line like this. So we have this. The distance from here to here is 60. We have it here. Now we have the distance from here to this side, and we can get this line from the extended lines here. So what we need now is the distance from here to this end, from here to here, and we have it here, which is 30 millimeters. That is 3 centimeters. So we are going to measure 3 centimeters from here to this side for us to get this. So we are going to measure 3 centimeters from here to this side. So with your divider or your compass, measure 3 centimeters. So now we have our 3 centimeters or 30 centimeters, 30 millimeters, sorry. We have 3 centimeters or 30 millimeters, and we measure from here. You measure it like this. So we have this. Now you extend the lines to your right side like this. So with your divide, with your the T-square, extend the line from here to this side. Good. Now when we look at the figure here, you will see this area, which is, we see this area, the distance from here to here, which is here to this side, and from here to this side we have it here. So we are going to draw the outlines to show the front view. So the front view, we are going to see this area. So with your T-square and your set square, with your T-square and your set square, you draw a line. You first draw this line. It's from here to here. Then you move it to this side as well. Then you draw the line from here to this side. Now then you draw this line from here to here, and also from here to here, and we have the outlines here. So we are going to, with your T-square, just move it like this, and you draw this. Sorry, my table is shaking. So you draw this line. Then now after drawing this line, that is from here to this side and also from here to here, we are going to draw the distance from here to here. So we have already measured 30 millimeters, which is here. So now with your T-square and your set square, you draw a line from here to here, then you move it to this side, then you draw another line like this. Then with your T-square, you move your T-square up, then you draw this. So we have this to be the front view of front elevation. Look at it. We see this and this, so the same as this. We have this and this. This is the front view or the front elevation of this figure. Now to get the end elevation, so this is in the end elevation, this is what we are going to see. We are going to see this area to be the end elevation. So as we always, orthographic projection, with your 45 degrees set square and your T-square, you draw a line from here like this. My camera just went off and I didn't see it, and I've already drawn this line. That's why I'm doing it again. So with your 45 degrees set square, you draw a line like this. Then with your T-square, you just extend this line to this end. Then with your set square again, then you draw a line from here to this side. So this side is going to be the end elevation. We are going to see this as the end elevation. So the distance from here to this side, we have it already here with these lines helping this. So with your T-square, you first draw this side then the distance from here, we have it already here, so it's very easy to do it. It's not difficult at all. The end elevation is always easy because we have all these lines helping this. Then you move it to this side like this, then you draw another line like this. Then the top, good. We have this. So when you look at the figure here, this is the end elevation. You get only two lines here. We have this and this. That is, here we have the top one, which is this one, and the down here is this. So we have this to be the end view or the end elevation. But when you look at this figure, we see that there is a gap here. There is something here. We can see from here. So to indicate that, for the technician to know or the engineer to know that there is a hole or maybe a hole or a gap, we use a broken line or hidden line from here, and it shows we have something here already. So with this, you draw something like this. Show this line like this, indicating that there is a, so it's like this. It means that when you look from here, there is a hole or maybe a gap here. So looking from here, we have this line, the hidden line or the broken line here, to show that there is a gap here. So this is the end view or the end elevation of this figure. So this is the orthographic projection of this figure. We have the top view or the plan, we have the front view or the front elevation, and the end view or the end elevation of this figure. It's very simple. Follow the steps. Take your drawing board, take your drawing sheet, and start to draw this. And when you have a problem, or any question, please go to the comment section and leave your questions, and I'll answer all your questions there. If you have a problem, just go there and put the question there, and I'll answer all your questions. So this is the orthographic projection of this figure. Please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this class. And for my subscribers, thank you very much for always coming along. Please share this video with your mates, those who are doing technical drawing or engineering drawing. If you have a platform, a Facebook platform, or Facebook page, or any platform you have, please share this video there for your mates to see what we are doing in this class, and please ask them to subscribe and always join us in this class. Thank you very much for coming along. Please hit the notification bell, so anytime I'm in the class, you get a notification and you can join me in this class. Thank you very much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Please take your drawing board, your drawing sheets, and draw this, and let me know if you were able to do it. So I'll see you in my next class. Bye.